Hello, Dad.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello?
Hello, Dad. Dami kong naghihintay.
Hello?
Daddy.
Hi, Trish.
Dad, message.
Hello, Trisha.
Hi, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Trish.
Thank you. Hindi pa po birthday ko.
I hope you can
Monday
hear
pa.
me.
Wow.
I wish I could be with you today.
Dad, message mo na lang sa akin.
Ago today, when I first held Patricia in my arms, straight from her mother's womb, has time flown so fast? It is so fast that it's like catching your own breath. The way I describe it is like blinking my eyes. And I remember when I missed her day of christening. I left on a very short notice due to an emergency. So I was so devastated then. I prepared so much and expect so much, and I missed it. Then you blink again, she turned 7. And she was wearing her favorite costume, princess costume. And it was her birthday. Then off she goes to school. And guess what? I missed it again. Life of a seafarer is difficult. Most of those milestones are very exciting. This one is different, one of a kind. This is one milestone that I will never miss for the world. I really did what can be done. I mean, with whatever I can do, just to be here. And I can't tell you, you won't imagine the difficulties I had just to be here on this very special day. But nevertheless, I am very happy that I'm here. Happy as much, I still feel this tiny little thing of hurting. You know why? Because this also means that she's a minute closer of leaving us. I don't know why I'm crying. Okay. Even though we had explosive moments, father and daughter. No, I don't need that. Those explosive moments, I think they're necessary because it helped you grow and become a strong woman. I will let those difficult times fade away. And I only cherish those moments that I remember her smiles and even the briefest hugs. because she's adult now and we seldom do it already. Well, today is your 18th birthday, and all I can wish for you is everything, I think. Then after that is infinity. I wish you the best of love, wherever you might find it. I wish you all the good things in life. But I want you to understand also that don't be afraid to have sadness, because it will help you become a stronger woman. And this sadness sometimes makes the happy moments a more joyful one. And well, Trisha, you are an incredible person. Trust on yourself. I want you to confidently soar in your own sky, whatever it may be. And I hope you enjoyed this day. I hope you like the simple gift that we can give to you. And we love you so much.
Actually, I prepared a long speech for you tonight, but your father made me cry when he surprised you tonight, so I forgot all of it. So my wife will just give you both our wish for you tonight. Happy birthday. I was supposed to drive her tonight from your house to here, but really I didn't know that your dad is here. So, okay, pre. Ayos. Happy birthday.
Appreciation to my husband who made the impossible possible to make sure that we're complete on this day. Patricia, I remember back 18 years ago to the day you were born. That moment of your birth was the day I realized I wasn't alone. I had you. 18 years na tayo, anak. We'll always be here for you. Above all else, remember, you are loved, a huge milestone in your life. You are surrounded by people who would each give your own lives to protect you and keep you safe. None of us want you to see you fall, fail, or get hurt. Your family is forever. Follow your dreams, never give up on something that you really wanted. Happy birthday, I love you, anak, forever.
ask of for me to do, even though that I really can't, help her with it, even though it's my event. We're really thankful. And to my dad, thank you for supporting me and giving me what I really wanted, which is to go. To all my friends who attended, love you guys. To all those na hindi nag-attend, FO na tayo. Hindi, joke lang. To all those who came from very far places, thank you so much for having time. So there.